Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to run a looping program from this website. Um, the website is Bill Kendrick's Web Turtle. Here's the URL, it's sonic.net, um, and everything else that's in this URL. If you need to copy it down, I would do that. So, there are a lot of things to explore on this website, but in order to create a drawing using commands that you enter to the computer, you're going to go into start a new drawing right here. In order to name this, you're going to put a semicolon, space, and this is a looping example. So I'm going to go looping project, and I'm going to be drawing a nonagon, which is just a nine-sided figure. Nonagon. All right. So you're going to come down and you're going to type in repeat 9, which means it's going to draw, it means it's going to do everything that you say 9 times. And you're going to come down another one, go over, and you're going to say draw 50, which means it's going to, it's going to draw a line of 50 pixels. It's going to go 50 pixels with the line. Next, you're going to come down, go right underneath it again, and you're going to go left 40, which is just the angle that it's going to go at. And I chose to go left. You guys can easily choose to go right. It doesn't really make a difference. And you're going to come down, and you're going to say next, and then you can say end, and then draw it. So that's what that's going to look like. If you want to make it more personal, you can say color, I don't know, let's go cyan. And you can come down here and give it the command to show the turtle that's drawing it. See, and the turtle pops up and it turns the line cyan. You can change this format however you want. You can go here and go 5. You can make it draw 50 and go at a 45-degree angle, and that's what it's going to look like. And you can keep playing with it until it closes. Anything you'd like. See how it goes back through. So you can change these however you'd like. It's completely up to you how you want to change it. You can change this color to just a regular blue. You can change this. You can change anything that you'd like about this in order to change it. So I hope you guys learned how to use a looping program, and it's this is important because this is how people can make things pop up on the computer. Thank you.